Okay guys, I picked up a Moto watch to go with my Moto Razor 2025.
Alright, let's do it.
Technically it's the Moto 857B. So let's take a quick look around. So on this side, powered by Polar. Polar is the company that takes care of the activity and wellness tracking. And on the other side, classic by design, sporty by nature, which I would think would go along with my bicycle riding rather well. So let's get it opened up. So there's the watch. Let's see what else we've got. There's our charging puck. And our usual paperwork. So as I said, I'm going to pair it with my Motorola Razr 2025. So let's put it on. Then we'll see what kind of power we have. Okay, the band feels nice and comfortable on my wrist. Let's power it up. So it gives you the option of choosing a level of activity daily, and I find the middle one is for somebody who does quite a bit of exercise. The third one looked like it was for professional athletes to me, and the first one was mainly for people who sit around. So now I'm going to choose a watch face. I usually choose a digital watch face, and I try to find one that gives me my steps, my battery percentage, and general stuff like that. Okay, I think I found a watch face that suits me. So that's it, guys. I'll get back to you with how I'm liking the watch in a week or two. So that's the Moto Watch 857B, $149.99 on the Moto US website. I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.